Excel has introduced 3 new functions that transform text manipulations. These functions allow you to work with the regular expressions. Regular expressions are powerful tools used for pattern matching with text, enabling you to search, extract, and modify text based on the defined patterns. This makes them extremely useful for such areas like data validation, text processing, and formatting. Regex works by using a sequence of characters to define a search pattern, which can match anything from basic text strings to complex structures. Guys, before you start, just don't forget to check if you have the last updated version of Excel. Just go to File, Account, Updates. Let's start with the Regex text, which enables you to ascertain whether a text string aligns with the design pattern. Regex test accepts 3 parameters. In our case, the first is the text you wish to examine. In our case, we will write via Humosapia. The second is the pattern or exact text you intend to locate. In our case, it is Humosapia. And the third, an optional argument, allows you to control case sensitivity, which is the set of sensitivity by default. I want to perform a case insensitive match, so we will specify 1. Pressing Enter, it returns true, indicating that the text has been identified. In this instance, we search for an exact text string, the word Humosapia, but we can leverage patterns here to make the search approach more adaptable. Let's start with the second example. Here, we are going to check if emails are correctly formatted. For example, the last email, we are missing .com. I have already prepared the formula, Regex text. We select the cell of our email and we add the function, close the bars and press Enter. We get true. It means that email is correct. Just drag down the formula and as you can see, the last one gives us false because it is not completely correct. Let's move forward and to see another function that's called Regex extract. It's about extracting data using regular expression. For example, we wanna extract the price, and here there is a function. Or we wanna extract the product name. Here we are. Or for example, extract the first word. There's a Regex extract function. I have prepared different type of functions that you'll find also in the descriptions. And the last fantastic function is Regex replace, that replaces parts of text strings using regular expressions. For example, we need to remove all digits in my order ID, and here there is a formula. Or we need to replace multiple spaces with a single space. Here we are. Or mask part of the emails, like in this example. Very cool. Guys, I have prepared many examples for you. So, let's follow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.